Hi guys, welcome back to Salt and Pepper. This is Anisha and I'm back with yet another recipe, that is pork with black sesame seeds. But before proceeding, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get timely updates. I have also written down the entire recipe in the description box both in English and in Assamese. Do check that out. Now let's begin. Here I have half a kg of pork, then 5 to 6 tablespoons of black sesame seeds, 3 onions, 4 to 5 dices of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 dried chilies, then 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and coriander leaves for the garnish. First, heat a pan and add the black sesame seeds to it. We will roast them until they start releasing an aroma. Now grind the black sesame seeds into powder or paste, and we will start chopping our onions finely. Also chop the coriander leaves for the garnish. Now take 4 to 5 dices of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, and 3 to 4 dried chilies, and we will be grinding these into a paste. Now heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Now add your chopped onions to this. And we will be frying this until they turn slightly golden. Add salt as per taste. Now we will be adding the ginger, garlic and chili paste to this. Now give this a nice mix and fry until the raw smell is gone. Now after the raw smell is gone, add the half kg of boiled pork to this. To boil the pork, add it to a pressure cooker, then add water such that all the pieces submerge, and then give it 2 whistles and then drain the water in which the pork was boiled. Mix everything well. Now add approximately 200 ml of water and give it a nice stir. Now after the water has reduced a bit, we will now add the black sesame powder or paste that we made and mix everything well again. Now add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder to this. And then add approximately 200 ml of water to this again. Give it a nice mix. and then add salt as per taste. Remember that we have already added salt to the onions, so this is only for the pork and the gravy. After giving this a nice stir, we will now put on the lid. After 7 to 10 minutes, uncover, and by now the water will be reduced and the pork is almost ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves and serve. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get timely updates. Share it with your friends and family and help me grow.